Namaskar दोस्तों, welcome to the Finance Scholar. Today we will discuss some important question related to MSME IIBF certification. So start करते हैं. Which stage of MSME development process does not require regulatory measure? Entry stage, operational stage, production stage, execution stage. So the right answer is entry stage. The guarantee invocation in the case of default is capped at what percentage of the outstanding principal loan amount? 25%, 50%, 75%, 90%. So right answer is 75%. The practice of educating adult is referred to as anagogy, andragogy, pedagogy, mystagogy. So right answer is andragogy. Under the PMEGP, the minimum educational qualification for eligible youth is ITI graduate, diploma holder, passed 8th standard or passed 10th grade. So right answer is passed the 8th standard. Which of the following is most critical for an industrial unit as it provides the liquidity necessary for a smooth operation? Government, commercial bank, entrepreneur, term lending institution. So commercial banks are important for liquidity purpose. Which of the following is current classification of micro enterprises in the MSME sector? Investment in plant machinery greater than or less than or equal to 1 crore. Annual turnover is less than or equal to 5 crore. So right answer is investment in plant and machinery must be less than or equal to 1 crore and annual turnover must be less than or equal to 5 crore. That is called micro enterprises. Which example best illustrate an entire industry working together for mutual development through shared learning and innovation? South East England Development Agency, Scottish Food and Drink Cluster, Massachusetts, or none of this? So right answer is Scottish Food and Drink Cluster. Which of the following statement is accurate regarding items reserved for the small scale sector? Recommendation for reservation are made based on factors like economies of scale and employment level. Second, as per 2015 notification, there are no items exclusively reserved for micro and small enterprises. Third, items are reserved or de-reserved following section 30B of the Industries Development and Regulation Act 1951. तो right answer है इसका first, second and third all are right. Participant involved in bank guarantee include applicant, issuing bank, beneficiary, advisory bank. So what are the participant in bank guarantee? The applicant, the issuing bank and the beneficiary. Next, an LC issued where either the applicant or the beneficiary is located outside the country of issue, typically related to export or import, is known as inland LC, revolving LC, foreign LC, green LC. So what we call this? A foreign LC. Next, what is the maximum claim settlement under the Credit Guarantee Trust Scheme for micro and small enterprises? 50 lakh, 62.5 lakh, 75 lakh, 200 lakh. So right answer is 200 lakh, that is 2 crore. When units are deemed sick but a suitable rehabilitation program has not been identified, this is known as. So if the units are deemed to be sick, then suitable rehabilitation program, what we call this? Gray area account. So right answer is gray area account. In which region have MSME demonstrated significant success globally? USA, UK, Germany and Europe, Germany and Italy. So where MSME demonstrates significant success? Germany and Europe. If a trust document does not specify how to operate the bank account, what should be done? Allow the secretary to operate the account, allow joint operation with the chairman, allow operation with joint signature of all trustee, open the account only after modifying the trustee. So right answer is allow operation with the joint signature of all trustee. Next, the Code of Banks Commitment to MSME, which sets the banking standard for dealing with MSME, was created by BCSBI. Right answer is BCSBI. The government reserves certain items for production by small and medium enterprises because they help reduce monopoly, address regional imbalance, struggle to compete with large industries, provide large scale employment. So right answer is they provide large scale employment. Under the first method of lending, the borrower must contribute at least 25% for long term sources and the remaining 75% for the maximum possible bank finance. Okay. The organization created to provide technical consultancy for industrial project by collaborating with state level financial institution are known as TCO, Technical Consultancy Organization. What does NICDA stands for? NICDA stands for National Industrial Corridor Development Authority. So right answer is B. Which activity is not part of micro and small enterprises? So actually here dairy is not part of agriculture enterprise, MSME enterprises, because it comes under agriculture enterprises. So here we can call dairy Under the MSME Development Act, the definition of a MSME does not include which of the following: manufacturing, service, trading. So, trading enterprise was not included in the definition of MSME. Which of the following is not a benefit of MSME sector? Promote inclusive growth, generate large employment, reduce income inequality, direct compete with large scale enterprises, industries. So, D is the right answer. What is the maximum investment allowed in plant and machinery of micro manufacturing? 25 lakh, 50 lakh, 1 crore, 5 crore. So, plant and machinery of micro enterprises maximum investment is 1 crore. So, right answer is 1 crore. Which government scheme is designed to help MSME with financial assistance for improving technology and competitiveness? So, the scheme name is Technology Upgradation Fund Scheme. Under the Credit Guarantee Trust Fund Scheme, MSME can avail credit facility without collateral up to certain limit. What is the maximum loan limit? So, maximum loan limit is 2 crore. The primary objective of Mudra scheme is to provide funding to MSME. So, B is the right answer. Which of the following is an example of micro enterprises? A small scale textile manufacturer, a software company employing 200 people, a small shop selling goods with annual turnover of 30 lakh, a manufacturing unit with an investment of machinery of rupees 20 lakh. So, D is the right answer. Which of the following organization plays a significant role in promoting the export of MSME? SIDBI, ECGC, RBI or NABARD? So, for export of MSME, ECGC, Export Credit Guarantee Corporation is the right organization. The rating of MSME under the credit rating scheme is done by CRISIL. Under the MSME policy, maximum limit for investment in equipment for a small enterprise in the service sector is 50, 75, 10 crore, 2 crore. So, right answer is 10 crore. The main objective of national manufacturing policy is to boost manufacturing output in MSME. B is the right answer. The purpose of National Small Industries Corporation NSIC is providing financial aid to MSME, promote export of MSME, offer marketing assistance to MSME. So, these all are the purpose of NSIC. Under PMEGP, the maximum subsidy for general category. So, maximum subsidy for general category is 25%. The annual turnover limit for micro enterprise in the service sector is 5 crore. Which of the following is a main obstacle faced by MSME in India? So, lack of technology support, availability of raw material, marketing and distribution challenges. So, all of the above are the challenges faced by the MSME in India. So, D is the right answer. Under the MSME Development Act, the government provide assistance to the which of the following areas? So, credit facility, infrastructure development, skill development. So, right answer is all of the above. The Prime Minister Employment Generation Program is managed by Ministry of MSME. PMEGP is managed by Ministry of MSME. What is the maximum investment allowed for a medium enterprise in the manufacturing sector? So, maximum is 50 crore. Investment is 50 crore and turnover is 250 crore. What is the primary focus of digital MSME? Promote e-commerce of MSME, providing digital infrastructure of MSME, offering digital training of MSME. So, all of the above. Which of the following is a key feature of credit linked capital subsidy scheme? A financial assistance for technology upgradation. So, A is the right answer. Which type of enterprises is eligible for the performance and credit rating under the credit rating scheme for MSME? Manufacturing enterprises, service enterprises, both manufacturing and service, only large scale enterprises. So, both manufacturing and service enterprises. What is the objective of Startup India initiative? So, its objective is to facilitate innovation and provide funding to startups. So, B is the right answer. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of MSME? Limited access to finance, high technology uses, focus on large scale production, directly depend on a foreign investment. So, right answer is limited access to finance. The term micro, small and medium enterprises refers to the investment in plant and machinery. Right answer is B. Which of the following is a scheme aimed at helping MSME with funding for equipment? CGTMSE, Mudra, Stand Up India or Technology Upgradation Fund Scheme. So, D is the right answer. Which of the following provides marketing support to MSME? NSIC. Right answer is NSIC. Which of the following can be considered a major benefit of MSME? High capital requirement, high level of automation, significant employment generation. So, right answer is significant employment generation. This is the main benefit of MSMEs. Which organization provide insurance coverage for MSME against payment default? So, Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. The government of India announced a special scheme for financing startup under which of the following? So the name of the scheme is Startup India. Which of the following is the key focus of Make in India campaign for MSME? Reducing import, promoting manufacturing in India, encouraging foreign direct investment. So all of the above are the main focus of the campaign of Make in India. Under the CGTMSE, what is the maximum coverage available for loans to micro enterprises? So maximum coverage for micro enterprises 50 lakh. The term sick industry refers to industries that face continuous financial loss for how long? 2 years. If 2 years any industry faces loss, then it will be called as sick industry. Under the MSME definition, what is the maximum limit for investment in plant and machinery for a small enterprises? So right answer is 10 crore. Which of the following scheme is specially designed to promote the export activity of MSME in India? So right answer is trade related entrepreneurship assistance and development. What is the maximum investment allowed for a medium enterprises in the manufacturing sector? So maximum investment as per latest guideline either in manufacturing or service sector, that is 50 crore. Under which section of Indian Companies Act 2013 are the rules for formation of one-person company laid down? So section 2 subsection 62 is the right answer. What is the maximum period for which a term loan for MSME can be provided under the CGFS Credit Guarantee Fund scheme? So 3 year, 5 year, 7 year, 10 years. So right answer is 5 year. What is the maximum annual turnover of micro enterprises as per MSME Development Act? Right answer is 1 crore. What is the primary objective of the Stand Up India? To promote entrepreneurship among women and SC/ST community. Next, in the case of MSME loan, which of the following is not eligible for subsidy under CLCSS? So right answer is investment in working capital. They are not eligible for subsidy. Which type of financial product is primarily designed for the working capital requirement of MSME? So cash credit, CC is designed for that. Which act regulates the implementation of MSME development policies in India? So MSME Development Act 2006. Right answer. What is the maximum permissible bank finance MBPF as a percentage of working capital gap under the second method of lending? So it is 75%. Under the Government of India Mudra scheme, which type of loan is categorized as SISU? Loan up to 50,000. What is the role of District Industries Center in the promotion of MSME? So its role is implementing a scheme for technology and financial assistance. Next, what is the objective of National Small Industry Corporation NSIC? So what is the objective? To support MSME by providing marketing assistance and technology transfer. So C is the right answer. Which of the following scheme is not associated with the Government of India MSME initiative? So MSME initiative से इनमें से कौन सा एसोसिएट नहीं है? So right answer is Startup India. The Khadi and Village Industry Commission primarily works towards promoting export from MSME, encouraging the growth of Khadi and village industry, providing technology assistance of MSME. So right answer is encouraging the growth of Khadi and village industry. What is the maximum loan amount eligible for subsidy under CLCSS? So 25 lakh, 50 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 crore, 2 crore. So right answer is 1 crore. What is the capital subsidy provided to MSME under the CLCSS scheme? 15% of the investment is the right answer. Whatever is the investment, 15% MSME will get a subsidy. Which of the following is not considered one of the 7 M's of management? Manpower, money, machinery, morale. So right answer is morale. What are the 7 M's of MSME? Mindset, mastery, mentor, market, money, machine and model of business. The term working capital gap refers to difference between total asset and total liability, current asset and current liability. So right answer is current liability and current asset. Which of the following is not part of Government of India's PMEGP scheme? So right answer is establishment of large scale industry. This is not the part of PMEGP program. What is the maximum limit of loans for renewable energy projects? So in that case 30 crore for big projects, and for individual, if we call renewable energy, that is 10 lakh. Here the right answer is 30 crore. Under the MSME Act, which of the following document is required for a small enterprise to be classified as micro enterprise? So what we require for that MSME required is MSME registration certificate. Right? A is the right answer. Which of the following is example of marketing strategy used by MSME to expand market access? So e-commerce. MSME can be used to expand market access. The primary aim of Making India initiative to reduce dependence on import, encouraging entrepreneurship, increase FDI, all of the above. What is the maximum loan amount available under priority sector lending for agriculture projects? So 1 crore, 5 crore, 10 crore, 24. Right answer is 10 crore. Which of the following schemes helps MSME by providing financial assistance for promotion of export? PMEGP, Credit Guarantee Scheme, ECGC, or TUFS? So right answer is ECGC, Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. The credit rating of MSME can be obtained through SIDBI, CRISIL, ICR, all of the above. Which of the following is not one of the characteristics of SIG industry? Continuously loss for 2-3 years, negative net worth, inability to pay statutory dues, lack of sufficient working capital. So right answer is lack of sufficient working capital, and in option A it must be 2 year here only, not 3 year. Okay, so D is the right answer. The term cluster development in the context of MSME refers to grouping of MSME in a specific location to promote shared services and resources. B is the right answer. What is the primary focus of National Manufacturing Competitiveness Program, NMCP? The primary objective is to improve the production efficiency and quality. A is the right answer. Under PMEGP scheme, which agency act as the implementing body for the scheme? So right answer is Khadi Village Industry Commission, KVIC. Which of the following form of ownership is not allowed for MSME in India? So non-profit organization. D is the right answer. The Stand Up India scheme focus on providing financial assistance to MSME run by scheduled caste and scheduled tribe communities and women. The Technology Application Fund scheme primarily aims to promote technology adoption and innovation among MSME. B is the right answer. In the case of bank guarantee, which of the following is the party that provides the guarantee? So issuing bank is the party. C is the right answer. The term joint liability group in the context of MSME refers to a group of entrepreneurs responsible for mutual credit and financial support. B is the right answer. Which of the following government scheme provide direct financial support to MSME to ensure timely payment for goods and services supplied to government department? So it is done through MSME Samadhan portals. B is the right answer. Which are the main challenges faced by MSME while trying to access finance from bank? So what they face? The lack of proper collateral. This is the main problem. B is the right answer. The term digital MSME refers to MSME that uses digital platform to manage operation and sales. A is the right answer. Exim Bank of India offers financial assistance to MSME in export financing, import loans, trade credit, all of the above. Which of the following is not one of the incentive provided under the MSME incentive scheme? So subsidy interest rate, technology application support, export incentive, tax exemption on profit. So this is not provided under subsidy. D is the right answer. The Credit Guarantee Trust Fund for Micro and Small Enterprises managed by SIDBI. CGTMSC is managed by SIDBI. Under the GST regime, MSME are eligible for simplified registration process. C is the right answer. The Udyog Aadhaar registration provide which of the following benefit to MSME? So right answer is easy access to government scheme and financial support. The Rural Employment Generation Program aims to create jobs in rural areas by providing financial assistance to MSME. Is the right answer. Which of the following best defines factorization in MSME? So factorization is a form of debt financing that is used to improve cash flow in MSME. So A is the right answer. Which of the following scheme helps MSME with reimbursement of patent and trademark registration fee? So IPR, Intellectual Property Right scheme. B is the right answer. So thank you for visiting the Financial Scholar. If you enjoyed this content, please like, subscribe and share. And if there is any improvement you want regarding this video or any further video you want related to some other topic, please do comment and share. Thank you.